When gluing finger joints, a lot of times the perpendicular finger joints, they stick out a little bit, so it makes it difficult to apply pressure evenly to the joint. So I made these out of 1/4 inch plywood, and I made a bunch here. And the trick is to temporarily glue those onto the project using CA glue because I want to reuse them. So I would apply it nicely in between each finger, and that way when I apply the clamp, if I can keep it straight, there you go. When I apply the clamp, it applies even pressure to the joint without getting caught in the perpendicular fingers, and that way